Welcome back to Raised Wisdom. Today I'm going to discuss briefly on how to parse or how I parse words. I use basically what is disposable to all of us, which is the internet. I use a etymology dictionary where I look for the words that I want to parse and find out the earliest meaning of them. I also cross-reference them with other dictionaries, Black Law Dictionary, Latin Dictionary, you name it. And then I come to the conclusion of my personal understanding and closure that I get from my research. And what I do with that information, I take this information and then I craft a finite meaning for myself and put it in my dictionary. And now that word can be used in my contract if necessary. And I'll have the closure to that word that's in my contract in my dictionary. I try to do a couple of words a day. Sometime one day I may do one word. Sometime I may do 20 words. It depends. And this is what I'm recommending for everyone who wants to learn this technology. Do when they do learn it and can perform it. That will help you a lot in your journey. And I will do videos that goes into detail on how to parse my method and how I construct a finite meaning for myself of a word that I parse. And I will continue doing these mini videos on quantum grammar mechanics, and this channel will be here to help you learn this technology: quantum grammar, correct sentence structure, communication, Parse, syntax, grammar, language, performance, if you want it.
Like and subscribe.